Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see, I'm showing you all of these bags and pouches that I had sewn up. Now I actually sewed these bags during COVID time. So I literally sat down and I sewed all these bags and pouches and backpacks and waist bags, and you guys can see I have nowhere to put them. So I built these little shelves. It's like two of them, and it's like a lot of space. So I've been packing everything into these shelves. Now I have been trying to walk and sell out as many of these things as I possibly can, because it's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff. It's a couple hundred stuff actually. Just the backpacks alone were over 100 of them, and then you had like a lot of side bags, and you had waist bags and baby bags. Hey, please, hello. Shh. Sorry about that, guys. So as you guys know, I've got the little one with me, so I'm doing a lot. Anyways, I've been walking and selling out these bags. The ones that I still have, like the fabrics, I've been cutting them out. As you guys can see, I've got fabrics still cut out. But this is what I've been doing. I've been taking the backpacks that don't really sell that fast. I've been cutting them up, and then I've been converting them into waist bags or side bags. Most of them I do in like these. So I've got two different sizes that I do, the smaller ones and then they're the bigger ones. And these are what I've been doing. I've been literally taking these 100 and odd backpacks and I've been turning them into these. I also had a lot of jeans material, so I did a lot of the jeans side bags, waist bags. I know you guys can see the different colors. So I basically just picked out all these big backpacks and I made these look cute backpacks for babies as well. But it's like trying to do more of these types of bags. The one strap bags, they sell way faster, and I've been picking the bigger bags out and converting them into these ones because I'm stuck with a lot of backpacks, a lot. And the side bags, they sell faster, so I've been at home sewing, and then I'm out and about walking and selling, and I just have no time to film no video and put out no video because I don't have no time. Also, I have the little one with me and things, so you guys can see me there. I was like picking out one of these backpacks, right? And I converted it into, let's say one big backpack can probably give me like 5 or so of the smaller side bags. So that's what I've been doing because they sell way faster, and then I can turn over and like get me back my money. So that's what I've been up to, and I've been like super duper busy. But as you guys can see, like I'd be picking out and then I'd be converting these into side bags. And I've just been so busy doing that. I just like completely neglect my YouTube channel. I don't put out no videos or nothing. But you know what? I'm trying to make some changes in my life so I can get back to doing the things that I love and the things that I really want to do. Also, I want to figure out, like I need to figure out how to spend more time, because my daughter, she's 3 years old now, and I want to teach her how to read. She already is learning letter sounds, but I want to teach her how to read. By the time here when my niece was little, me start to teach my niece how to read already, but now I have my own child and I don't have the time. But guys, you can see what I'm doing here. I'm doing like a little conversion. So this is what it looked like, and I did a whole bunch load of other bags. Like I just picked out a whole lot of other bags, and you guys can see like the different bags that I based on the colors. Like I just change over a lot of the bags. So that's what I've been up to. You guys don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.